We are currently living in the world of Gen AI where everybody is using ChatGPT or if it's DeepSeek, Gemini, and everyone has their own personal assistant. But the clear question is that are you able to articulate your thoughts or your questions correctly to these chatbots? Are you able to give them the right prompts to get the right answers? That's a real important thing because even though everybody has access to these amazing chatbots, still everyone does not know what's the right way to use it to get the exact output or answer which they really need. Hi everyone, this is Gauri Guglani and I am currently working as an analytics consultant at NTT Data. And in this video, I will explain you how can you maximize the use of chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or whichever you're comfortable with. Whether you are using it to write, learn, code, or solve problems doesn't matter because there is so much more you can do with it and you can make the most out of it. I will be sharing some helpful tips which will really help you in understanding the process to use the chatbots and give the right prompts effectively. So, very first thing, what ChatGPT can do or what any chatbot can do which are currently available in the market. From writing essays to solving coding problems, explaining complex topics, or even you can have a brainstorming session with bots to get creative ideas. But what's important is knowing how to ask the right questions to get the best answers. So if you want great results, you don't have to be vague. You need to be perfect in asking the questions, because when the right question is asked, you will get a right answer to it. But if you keep playing rounds and rounds by asking a different question or not exactly meaning what you want to ask, then you won't get the right answer from it. For instance, instead of asking tell me about data science, try this. Explain data science concepts in simple terms with examples of real life applications. Not just with changing few words like tell me about data science, which is a very general question to ask, but we have completely changed the frame now. That tell me in simple terms the concepts of data science with real life examples. So this can clearly change your outputs and you really can expect a different kind of output which will help you more in your prompting and having a good conversation with chatbot. Now, even though you want to learn a new skill like Python, stop checking out the courses and wasting your time. Ask GPT. Tell him to explain you advanced topics like NLP. ChatGPT can really be your tutor. Tell him to break down the lesson step by step and ask for practice examples so that you can test your understanding also. Example, you have understood a small topic from Python. Now tell ChatGPT to give some quiz about that topic or ask me questions on that topic. It's really like having a coach available for you 24/7. It's just that you have to utilize it wisely. Also, when you're solving the question, you're solving the coding problem and you got an error, get that error to GPT. Paste your error message or snippet and ask GPT for help. It's perfect for learning and solving your technical challenges. This will only save you time and give you multiple solutions to go through it. Give them right commands and I'm not able to understand why this error is coming up. Please help me out. It will give you 3 to 4 solutions. Try different solutions. See which works. And if something works and again it breaks, ask them that so third solution I tried and it again gave me one more error. So it will give you more solutions to it. So this is a good brainstorming and new learning experience for you. You will save a lot of time and you will learn a little early. Let ChatGPT really save hours of your time so that you can allot that time for some different kind of learning and you can save your and you can learn and fail quickly. Even though you have to draft your professional emails, you have to plan your day, or maybe you have to summarize your article. So I would like to share a small instance. I was really pissed off with my working schedule and how unorganized the things were. I gave the list of things which I have to do every day. I gave it to ChatGPT and told him to please organize it properly and what can I fit where so that I be a little more organized. I told him everything about my work timings, about when I work from when to when, and when do I do breakfast, lunch, etc. And it created a perfect schedule for me, which helped me really in fitting things out and to understand this is a better way and I can really apply this way in my daily schedule and try following it. Just try and you will really understand the meaning of personal assistant. It's actually all about entering the right query and getting the right answer from it by asking the right and correct and exact question. And you will really observe that ChatGPT is really helping you to save your time, even though you are making some grammatical mistakes while drafting an email, even though you are not sure how do I schedule my timings or how do I schedule my daily workloads, or even though you are facing some errors or maybe you do not understand a simple concept, you ask GPT about it. Or maybe you do not understand how do I understand the functional part of it, business part of it. Ask GPT about that. GPT can really save a lot of your time and can give you a lot more insights of things and give you more knowledge of it. It is really, really helpful. We used to go to Google, search search one thing, and 10 pages used to come. Now, just give one question, right prompt to GPT. It will give you a good, concise answer. Even though you don't want a long para, tell him strictly, please ask this question in short. It will literally give you a short para and nothing more than that. That was it from the video. Found this helpful? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let them also know how they can save their time and by maximizing the usage of ChatGPT or any other chatbot which they feel comfortable working with. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.